Inside the tyre bay, we will examine the high consequence task, aligning the tyre and wheel rim assembly to the hub. Poor visibility and direct interactions with vehicles and workers can lead to a fatality or disablement.